In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your HP DeskJet 4275e all-in-one printer. First is to remove the plastic packaging, remove the protective tape. So one goes up and the other goes in, so pull it out and remove this cardboard. Next step is to just install the setup ink cartridges. We get set of black and coloring cartridge. Take the ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging, remove the orange seal, move the section to here so that we can install it. Color goes here, just slide it in and push it, and the black goes this side. Slide inside and push it in. Now close this section, plug in the power cable, go to the back side of the printer, plug in the power cable here. Next is to load the paper. Slide the paper tray out, move this to the forward and move this part to the end. Now place the letter size or plain paper. Press the power button. Now open this lid and check if there is anything here to remove, like a plastic thing, so that we can use the scanner later on. Wait for the printer, it will print alignment page. We have to scan this page, so take the page and open the lid. Place it facing down here. Press the color button once and it will start the alignment. Wait for the printer to align the print heads. Alignment is complete and we can discard that page. So we installed the pages and we have installed the setup ink cartridges, and now we are ready to do the copy. So that means our printer is ready. For wireless printing and scanning, we have to do the Wi-Fi setup or Wi-Fi direct setup. Let's do the Wi-Fi setup first. Go to your smartphone. Go to the App Store and download the HP app. So click on the HP. You will see there is an app here that's called HP, that is for the printer. Open it. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the first option, set up a new printer. Select HP DeskJet 200 series setup. Select your Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Continue setup. Press the flashing information button on the printer panel, so that's the I button. Join. You will see the wireless light is stable and it's not flashing anymore. That means printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Click continue. Continue. If you want, you can accept all the printer privacy data, or you can decline the optional data from here. You can join the HP Plus, you can activate it, or you can just decline it. Decline HP Plus. Click continue. If you have a HP account, you can sign in now, or you can use the app without that. Click on the skip account activation. You can also enable the 2 months of free ink with automatic delivery. For right now I'm just going to do the do not enable ink, skip offer, skip installing ink, select auto updates that is recommended and click save. You can also print the welcome sheet. Right now I'm just going to skip it, click continue. Scroll down, you will see all the things are available like scanning, printing with this printer. So this will help you to set up your printer, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to do a scan, we can click on the scan icon, open the lid, place the page for scanning on this corner, so facing down on that corner here, and then click on the scan. You can select the area you want to keep, like full area, and then click on the next. If you want, you can add more pages and save it as a single PDF file, or you can just save it as a single file. Exit scan. It was the first method to use the wireless setting of the printer. If you don't have the Wi-Fi network, you can use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer. For that, we have to first activate the Wi-Fi direct. Now in case you don't have Wi-Fi network, then you can follow the Wi-Fi direct setup. For that, first we have to print the password of the printer, and you will see there is a Wi-Fi direct icon here. It should be showing up here. If you don't see it, just press the wireless button once, it will activate it. To print the password, press information button once. On this page, look for the Wi-Fi direct icon, and you will see the name of the printer's Wi-Fi, and below is its password. To start the setup, go to your smartphone, open the settings and go to the Wi-Fi. Look for your printer's Wi-Fi name that starts with direct HP DeskJet 48200 series. Select it. It will ask you to enter a password. Use the printed password here and click on the join. We are connected with the printer. Now go to the app section and download the HP app. This is the app from the HP for the printer. Open. To add the printer, click on the plus button on the top. Select the second option, choose an available printer. It will display your HP DeskJet 4200 series. Select it, and instantly we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. So this way we can do the full setup of this printer. Thanks for watching.